Hey everybody, it's game time. As promised, I have my second box of 2018 Panini Prizm football. My first box was very meh. Matter of fact, let me say that for real. Meh. I don't know if that's even conveys the feeling I had after opening that box. It was 3 very average autographs and only 2 of the really good rookie cards. I got the parallels that were promised, but no like top stars, nothing. It was just overall, usually there's something in there, you know, that kind of redeems it, but on the whole it just was not a good box. So definitely hoping for better results out of this one as we go again. There are 12 packs, 12 cards per pack, so they're nice thick packs. It seemed like there were maybe, I think, 2 rookies per pack if I remember correctly. Get some light over here. Let's get into it and see if we can do better this time. At least have the parallels be a little bit better. Stewart, Brait, Edelman, Ben, Ingram, Ramsey, Floyd. There is a Pettis rookie introductions. Armani Watts rookie parallel. This is Hyper. I was calling it tie-dye, I think, in the first one. This is numbered out of 275. And then the rookies are Edmonds and Edmonds. That was weird. This pack felt like it was opened already. That's strange. Alright, Parker, Cooper, Norman, Shepard, Suggs, Thomas, Bradford, Landry, Lee, a blue scope, Melvin Ingram. Got one of these in the first box. This is numbered out of 99. And then our rookies are Ito Smith and Izzo. Thomas, Rhodes, Williams, Beckham, Howard, Kuechly, Rogers, Peppers, Fournette, a Mike White rookie, green crystals out of 75. So I'm going to say so far so good, because 3 of the parallels have been rookie parallels. Is that right? 1, 2, well, 2. Because the Ingram, of course, is not. Then the rookies are Derwin James and Josh Rosen. So there's the first one of the top rookies. And I did get him in the first box as well. I did not get Baker Mayfield. Who else did I not get? I don't know. Ingram, Carson, Rudolph, Mixon, Hilton, Smith, Aaron Jones, a Nick Chubb rookie introductions. So 2 of these, only got 1 in the first box, and then a Vic Beasley parallel to 49. I did not get one of these in the first box either. Rookies are Van Der Esch and Hurst. So that's funny, no autograph yet. Maybe one here. Let's see. Wentz, Cup, Crowell, Walker, Ryan, Zeke, Kareem Hunt. Lots of stars in this pack. Keenan Allen. That's just the basic silver Prizm. Derek Nottie to 199 is the first. At least this is a parallel autograph. In the first box, all 3 were just plain base. This is numbered to 199. None of the autographs were numbered in the first box. And then the rookies are Sam Hubbard and Royce Freeman. TJ Watt, Donald, Nelson, Thomas, Deshaun Watson, Benjamin, Beasley, Green, Mac, a Justin Jackson blue die cut. So my run of parallel rookies is still going. This is to 199. Then Lasley and Jalen Samuels. Dalvin Cook, Juju, Sue, Jackson, Collins, King, there's Mr. Mahomes, Geno Atkins, a Josh Allen instant impact, and then a Tyrod Taylor parallel to 149. DJ Moore and Derek Nottie. Hill, Le'Veon Bell, Gurley, Mack, Perrine, Mosley, Keenum, Jones, Josh Gordon. Sterling Shepard is the next parallel, another light blue die cut to 199. DJ Chark and Fumagalli. So again, like only one of the like top 4 rookies have come out of this. And that's just base. Breeze, Baldwin, so I'm assuming the getting those in parallel version must be really tough to do. Graham, Weddle, Von Miller. Oh crap. Well, I'll have to redeem this before I post it. But there's one of my autographs. Oy, oy, oy. Damn points. Marshall, Diggs, Villanueva, Mariota, Olsen, Matthews, Crabtree, Dak Prescott, Deion Sanders, Hall of Fame, and Andrew Luck to 249. Deontay Burnett and Mike Hughes. Cooks, McCown, Cousins, Brown, Hill, Eifert, Doyle, Booker. Doris Fountain is the 3rd hit. Well, I'm going to say 2nd because the points are just points. And then our rookies are Sony Michel and Ballage. And our last pack here. Goff, Lynch, Reed, Kamara, Chancellor, Dalton, Brissett, McCaffrey, Adams, Vinatieri. Nice kicker parallel. Justin Jackson and Jair Alexander. So after this box, I'm calling it. That's it. At the price point this stuff is at, there is no way in hell that I'm buying another box. Anything I want from this, I will buy aftermarket after, you know, somebody's posted it on eBay or elsewhere. It just, the price, absolutely, what you get, it's just not, it just doesn't justify the price tag. It's just not, I don't, you know, it's just not good enough. It's just not. The parallels look good, the cards look good, but this is one good rookie, one, and then like, what? Ugh, yeah, I mean, these look good and all, but wow. I feel like I got burnt twice. Did a little bit better with the parallels this time around, but that's not really saying much. So, yeah, that's it. A wise man told me recently that I should just be buying what I want to buy. And I wanted to buy Prizm, don't get me wrong. You know, I was excited for it to come out, but man, after the second box, I'm kind of like, no, I better go back to buying the stuff that's really fun and I feel like gives a lot of value for the price tag. So that's it. You guys let me know what you think about it. Do you love it? Do you think it justifies the high price tag? I'm interested, always interested in what other people have to say, because I know my opinion is definitely not the only one. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be back with my next break soon.